IT infrastructure has changed drastically in the last few years. To meet the demands of a distributed workforce, organizations quickly increased the scope and volume of their cloud initiatives, giving cloud's promise to generate greater business value. The technologies and efforts continue to evolve at a dizzying pace. This innovation has outpaced many organizations' training opportunities, leaving a cloud skills gap in its wake. How can IT leaders close it? Let's consider a real-world example. A technologies manufacturer required cloud expertise that was hard to find. Working with CDW, they determined what they'd need to successfully continue their enterprise-wide cloud transformation. Talent acquisition was chief among the goals. It's a common struggle and an urgent one. Often, cloud's potential has been left untapped in the fray of rapid deployment. To support the manufacturer, CDW enlisted 2 world-class experts to focus on migrating, integrating, and managing cloud services on site. They ensure the customer's cloud transformation project continues, while providing cloud insights and training simply by being part of the on-site team. CDW also configured the environment to better align with needs, driving cost optimization and visibility. Next step discussions include placing a cloud architect on site, as well as tailoring the environment to accelerate the company's cloud development and opportunities even further. For organizations facing a cloudy future, CDW can fill IT talent gaps and deliver invaluable expertise. Visit cdw.com/managed-services today.